Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Vrbo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open your web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.vrbo.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Vrbo. So here, simply tap on the sign in option. So once you tap on the sign in option, you will be redirected to this page where you need to tap on sign in. Then you will end up in this kind of interface. There you can see that to create an account or sign in, you need to choose a method like sign in with Google or with Apple ID or Facebook. However, to get logged in, you can simply type in your email address. Choosing one method, you can simply create an account. I have shown you by choosing the email address or the Google address, you can say. Once I've selected my account, I need to tap on the continue button, and then I will be redirected to this kind of interface where we need to give some time to sync with our Google account. And once it is completely synced, we can create or sign up in Vrbo through our Google account as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.